Welcome back, guys. I'm here with SZC hair today. This is the package. All right, let's get into it. So of course I got the wig. Oh, and I'm excited to get into this, guys. I haven't done color like this in so long. Also, I have a puff, and then I have a pair of HD wig caps, a pair of lashes, and then finally have an edge brush and comb. But let's go ahead and get into this very interesting wig. This is SZC's green yellow skunk stripe chocolate brown lace front human hair wig. It's a 13x4 lace front. It is beautifully colored. I feel like you want to, if you want to switch things up, you know, this will make things really interesting. Like, the colors are very vibrant. It's giving very much spring, and then, you know, summer is right up behind that. So I love how just vibrant this is. This is the inside of the cap construction, pretty standard. There's an adjustable elastic band as well as adjustable straps in the back. There's combs inside of the cap, and you know, it's pretty secure. It's a medium cap size as well. It is a 26-inch long wig. I'll put the specifications down below as well, so you can check the density and all that good stuff, you know, the link and all that. But it's looking pretty good, guys. I love it. I can't wait to go ahead and install it. That's exactly what we're gonna jump on into. But I must say, yes, it's also pre-plucked but lightly, so if you want to go in and pluck that further, you can. And if you notice, it did come with some like pre-curls, you know, just to make your life easier. So if it is that you want to just rock these curls straight out of a box, or if you don't know how to curl and you kind of want to rock those, you kind of want to be more careful than I was, because I kind of ran my finger through the curls a lot. I was pretty excited here, but like, you probably want to do less with running your hands through the hair if you want to preserve those curls. But I did go over the curls entirely and kind of refresh it. What I'm doing here is, you know, cutting away the excess lace so that everything will fit really nicely. And I did do a glue install. Of course, I'm using the PETITE-SUE line, so you guys can check out those products down below as well. If you guys need a very detailed lace front wig updated tutorial, one is now live on the channel, so you guys can check that out as well. But this is just 2 layers that I used to install the wig today, and it was really easy to work with. I must say, really easy. I was very pleased that it didn't take long at all. So yeah. Apply the wig, and I just kind of fast forwarded that portion. Just if you guys want to see a very detailed updated, very much updated tutorial on how to install your wig, your lace front wig, I'll link it down below. But yeah, so I just did 2 layers of my PETITE-SUE hair wig, my PETITE-SUE hair glue. Now I have the wax stick, and I'm gonna lay this really nice and flat, and I want to keep the center part, but you could feel free to go ahead and do like a side part. But you know, just to embrace, like, it would look really cute too. Like, look at that. You do the perfect flip over vibe with this. Stunning, absolutely love. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through it though with my hot comb, so that, you know, it's really nice and laid. And then I'm gonna go through it with my curling iron to refresh the curls, because being that I went through it, and you know, with installation, I kind of been running my hands through the curl, they need refreshing. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna kind of speed through this portion. see how flat that's laying? That is gorgeous. So it's the 13 by 4 as I said. So you know, you can do a few styles. It is not as deep on the sides here, like for partying. So you know, bear that in mind. It goes as far as there, so you can do, you know, any style that you probably don't need to go too far to the back with this 13 by 4, but it lays flat. I absolutely love that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, refresh the curls. This is what it's giving. You know, a lot of the curls have fallen that came in there, so I'm gonna just kind of run through it with my curling iron, as I said. These curls literally is like the curls that came in the wig initially, like the specific way it's curled. That curling iron is from Moray, by the way, so if you guys are wondering. But yes, because it's not like your average curling iron, it's literally different. If you want these elongated, like luscious curls, yeah, the hair feels so good. Like, what? Really gorgeous. That's literally so gorgeous. Like, absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think. But that's the finished look. That's the finished look of the wig. Oh my gosh, definitely giving, you know, spring is around the corner, summer is coming up. Yeah, they definitely did their thing on this wig today. It's giving, you know, you want to pop out a little bit but not too much, so you know, you do a little color to make things fun and spicy. Definitely would recommend if you're going for that vibe. And yeah, it's a nice length if you're trying to give inches, you know, as I said, 26 inches long. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link down below, so if you guys are interested in getting this look, this wig for yourself, you could go ahead and get it. All the specifications will be listed once more. Any deals, any sale, any discount code that's possibly available will be down there, so please check the description box, guys. Shout out to SZC Hair once more for today's gorgeous wig. They really elevated the vibes and I'm loving it. But yeah, that's it for today's look. Hope you guys found it informative and just, like, you know, as a mood lifter, because the look is giving. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.